And once you are in Canada and you sponsor your spouse from back home, there's also public policy in place. It's been there for a while now, where IRCC allows the principal applicant to apply for a visit visa while their PR application is in process. This means if you've submitted your PR application and you have received two important documents from IRCC. First one is AOR, Acknowledgement of Receipt, and the second document will be correspondence from IRCC where they approve you as a sponsor, saying you are found eligible to be as a sponsor. Now, once you have these two documents, you could actually apply for your spouse's visit visa to Canada. Now, the actual benefit of this visit visa application will be that it will be actually expedited over other visit visa applications. So normally I've had clients, they were given decisions within 30 days. And there is a high chance of an approval because it's a straightforward case. You have already submitted your PR application, your documents are in line, you've been approved as a sponsor, you've received the AOR. As long as you submit a complete, coherent, and organized application, it should not be a problem. But we never use the word guarantee with our clients because the risk of a refusal always looms when you are dealing with IRCC. Anyways, if you are looking to sponsor someone from back home or you have your spouse here in Canada, you're looking to submit their PR application. I'm a licensed Canadian immigration consultant based in Toronto, Canada. You can book an appointment at the given link here. We'll have a detailed chat about your personal and professional profile in which we'll do a complete assessment to see where you stand. And of course, we'll let you know how you can move forward. You can also subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon for further notification because this channel is all about Canadian immigration.